In this video, we are going to learn about price rule. Price rule are similar to product rules where we have to follow certain steps to create a rule. For example, first step would be to create a price rule. Then we need to add a condition. Then we'll have a summary variable. At the last, we'll take a pricing action. In our demo today, we have a business scenario where for every 2 donuts sold, we also have to make sure that one quantity of Coke 100 ml is also added to the quote. To do that, we are going to now start creating price rule in CPQ. We'll first create a price rule. Let's name it Coke 100 ml for every 2 donuts. We'll make it active. Evaluation will say is calculator. We'll hit save. The next step is to create a condition as to when this particular has to fire. This needs to be fired on a quote line whenever the product code equals value Coke 100. Why Coke 100? Because Coke 100 is the product code of that particular product. Let me just go to products. Coke 100 ml has this product code, code 100. Okay, Coke 100. I'll hit save. So very first 2 steps are done. Price rule is created, pricing condition is added. The next step is to create a summary variable because we want to find out how many donuts are being sold as part of that particular code. To do that, let's go back and search for summary variable, say new. So we have a summary variable over here. Let me edit this, where this summary variable is summing or aggregating the quantity of all those products where the product code is DON. DON over here, DON stand for donut. And when it gets that sum, it is going to divide it by 2. So this particular summary variable, which is divide donut quantity by 2, will give me the value of the sum of all the products which has a product code DON. Okay, I'll hit save. Now let me go back to my price rule. The last step is to create an action, price action. So we'll go to related, we'll create a price action. Whenever this pricing rule is fired, then an action needs to be taken where the quantity of that particular product needs to be updated with a value which is there in this particular variable. Let's hit save and let's see this in action. So I'll go to a quote. Let me pick up an existing quote, edit lines, and I'm going to add 2 products to this particular quote. I'll add Coke, select and add more, and I will add donut. Now our business scenario is anytime donut is sold in multiples of 2, a quantity of Coke should be incremented by 1. So if I have 10 donuts and if I calculate, the quantity becomes 5. So this is how the pricing rule is working. If I have over here, suppose 6, I hit calculate, this becomes 3. This way we can create pricing rule in our codes.